السلام عليكم. Good morning, my dear students. Good morning. Good morning, my dear students. This is your math session for today. Okay. 29 March 2020. How are you, Tamim?
Good morning. Hello, Sarah.
Good morning, man. How are you?
Good morning, Mr.
Fine. What about you, sir?
Okay, Mazen. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr.
Abdullah Al-Anazi, good morning.
Good morning, Mister.
Okay, how are you, man?
Fine, fine.
Fine, okay. So now I have Tamim, Abdullah, and Mazen. Tamim, Abdullah, and Mazen. Naif, Abdullah Walid, how are you, man? Abdullah. Abdullah Al-Gurney. How are you?
عندي مشكلة عبد الله القرني.
What is your problem? Muhammad Arif. Welcome, Muhammad. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start. Our session. I make you all mute till I have finished. Now I have about 10 students. 10 students. Okay. Ahmed Al-Anazi becomes here. Yes. Okay, this is your screen. I make now a share screen. Our new lesson is talking about law of cosine. Law of cosine. In the previous lesson, we were talking about the sine law, and we knew that in the sine law, please don't write anything, please. Don't write anything. Okay, so just clear. Okay, clear all. Don't write anything. Okay, so I have here more and disable. Okay, so now only I can write. Please pay attention. In the previous lesson, we were talking about the sine law, and we said that in the sine law, we have talked about two ideas. The two ideas, the first idea is talking about the area of any triangle without needing the height or the altitude of the triangle to find its area. And the second idea is talking about the sine law, how to solve a triangle if you have two angles and one side. Again, if you have two angles and one side, we will use the sine law. We will use the sine law. Okay, quickly, I'm going to Abdullah Al-Gurney. Abdullah, how are you, man?
Yes.
Abdullah, can you please state the sign law? The sign law, sign A over?
Sine A over A
Yes, equal?
equal sine B over B,
Yes, equal?
then equal sine C over C.
Sine C over C. Thanks, Abdullah. So if we need to find or we need to deal with the sine law, okay, we have sine A over A equal sine B over B equal sine C over C, as Abdullah said. Okay, and if we want to get the area of any triangle, the area of any triangle, okay, I'm going to Muhammad Arif. If I need to get the area of triangle, Muhammad, if I need to get the area of a triangle by using the trig function, it's equal to
half side 1 times side 2 times sine, which is the included angle.
Excellent, Muhammad. So half the product of any two sides multiplied by the sine of the included angle between them. Thanks, Muhammad. Excellent. Okay, so these are the two main ideas for the sine law. Today we are talking about the cosine law. What is the cosine law or the laws of cosine? Pay attention with me. It seems as a difficult lesson, but it's very easy. Just you know the rules. We have about 3 rules, and from these 3 rules we can take or we can conclude another 3 rules. So in total we have 6 rules. Okay, the first 3 rules we use them when we need to find the side length. If we need to find the side length, we will use 3 laws. Pay attention with me. I'm talking now about the 3 rules. These are the 3 rules. Let's read with me. In a triangle ABC, if the sides are with a length ABC small are opposite to the angles with measure A capital, B capital, and C capital represent the angle respectively, then the following are true. What is the following? These are the 3 rules that we will talk about. Okay? This is the first one, and this is the second one, and this is the third one. In the first one, we have here A power 2. It means this side, power 2. So A power 2 equals to what? Equal to B power 2 plus C power 2 minus 2 BC cosine A. As you see, when we talk about A, it's cosine A at the end of the rule. A cosine A, B cosine B, C then cosine C. So you can relate. If we talk about A, at the end of the rule, we have cosine A. If we talk about B, so cosine B. If you talk about C, cosine C. But what about the remainder of the rule? If you have here A power 2, it's equal to the other 2 sides. So I need to find the A power 2. A power 2 is missing now. So I must have C and B. It means I must have the other 2 sides, the length of the other 2 sides. Okay, I make this side power 2, this side power 2, and then make minus. The product of 2 times B times C times cosine A. This is the first rule. This is the first rule. So the first rule is talking about if I want to find the length of the side A. Which side is called A? Which opposite to the angle A. So angle A, its opposite is side A, which is BC. Which is BC. So I can write it as A power 2 equal B power 2 plus C power 2 minus 2 BC. Okay, if you have a pen and a paper, you can write the rule. You can write the rule. We're going to, by the same way, I'm talking about now B power 2. B power 2 is equal to the other 2 sides. I take B power 2, so the remainder is A power 2 plus c power 2 minus what? The product of 2 times the other two sides times cosine b and c by the same. These are the 3 rules. طب what about the other 3 rules, mister? طب these 3 rules we use them if we want to find the side length. يبقى if we want to find the side length, we use one of these rules according to the required. If the required is A, I use the first rule. The required is B, I use the second one. The is C, I use the third one. طب if we want to find the side length, we use this rule. طب if the missing is an angle, how we can find the angle? Pay attention. We can find the angle by using the sine law. No problem about it, okay? Or by using cosine law. By using cosine law, if we have the length of the 3 sides, if I give you a triangle and you don't have any angle, I give you a triangle and I give you the 3 sides, and I ask you about the angles. We can use these 3 rules. Pay attention with the other 3 rules. So this is rule number 4. Cosine A is equal to. Cosine A is equal to, I write the first one and one of you will complete to write the second and then the third. Cosine A, make a fraction mark, okay? Make a fraction mark, and then we will get here the other 2 sides. Here A, the other 2 sides will be B squared plus C squared minus the letter with the cosine, which is A squared. Again, so cosine A equal fraction mark and then B squared plus C squared. The other 2 letters, you have A, so the other 2 letters is B and C. So I write B plus C, B squared plus C squared. And then minus the same letter over what? Over 2 times the first 2 letters, which is B and C. This is the rule to get cosine A. And after that, if I need angle A, I'll make shift to cosine. So measure of angle A will be shift to cosine for the result coming from the rule. Okay, by the same way, I'm going to get cosine number 5, cosine B. Let's start with, I'm going to Muhammad, I'm going to Ibrahim. Ibrahim? Ibrahim?
Yes.
Okay. Can you state cosine B by the same way of cosine A?
Okay. A power 2
A power 2, excellent.
plus C power 2
C power 2, yes.
minus B power 2
Excellent. The letter with cosine is minus, and then over
2 AC.
Over 2 AC. This is if the rule that we will use if we need to find measure of angle B. Now you will get cosine B. After that, you will make another step, which is measure of angle B is equal to
shift cosine.
shift to cosine for the result you get it from the
لا الصوت يقطع حقك.
what?
صوتك يقطع.
Okay, there is no problem. This is about the connection. Maybe your connection is not good, but now you
لا
have.
كلنا يا أستاذ كلنا نفس الشيء.
Okay, now it's all things are clear.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So by the same way, we can write cosine C. We can write cosine C with with Tamim. 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 Tamim.
Hello.
Okay, I need the cosine C, Tamim, by the same way. Cosine C. Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Uh,
This is number 6, cosine C. So I write cosine C here is equal to, I make
Okay.
a fraction mark,
mhm.
and then
Then A power 2
yes, A power 2
plus
plus,
B power 2
excellent,
minus
minus
C over 2.
C power 2 type. Down Tamim. Huh? Over what?
2
Yes, from my mind it's 2, yes. Times what?
AB.
Yes, excellent. The first 2 letters. Excellent. So
Yes,
thanks, Tamim. Now we have the 6 rules in your screen. The first 3 rules, we use them to find the sides, and the second 3 rules, as Ibrahim said, Abdullah and Tamim, this is for angles, if I want to get the angle. Okay, let's go to the first example. Let's go to the first example. Okay, here, the first example. Okay. This is the first example you have. He said, solve the triangle given 2 sides included. Solve the triangle ABC. I need to solve this triangle. I need to solve this triangle. First, I need to get the side C. I need to get the side C. Okay. Mazen,
Yes, mister.
I need to get the the side C. So I just start C power 2. C power 2 equal?
C power 2 equal A power 2
C power 2 equal A power 2, yes.
plus B power 2
Plus B power 2.
minus 2AB cosine C.
Excellent. Just substitute. So C squared equal A power 2, it means
10.
A, it's 7. It's opposite to A. So this is A.
مستر صوتك يقطع.
This is A. Now it's clear?
Yes.
And this is
Okay.
B. Okay. I just write the information on the drawing. Okay. So A power 2 will be?
7 squared.
Yes, 7 power 2 plus
10 power 2
10 power 2
minus
2
times 7 2 times 70, which
2
equal
times 7 times 10, yes. Cosine what?
cosine 73.
Okay, 73. By using your calculator, quickly get the result. So C
Yes.
power 2 equal. You have a calculator?
Yes, yes.
Okay, please try to finish this calculation. I also I'll start using my calculator.
Equal 21.4. 91.
What?
91.4.
91.4. This is C power 2, but I need C.
Yes, I will make root, square root,
Yes,
and
square
square
root
root.
for this answer, yes. It will be
It will be 9.6.
okay, approximately 9.6. So now you have the length of the third side, which is 9.6 approximately. Thanks, Mazen. I'm going to Ziad. I'm going to Ziad. Ziad.
Yes.
How are you? Now we have the three sides here. The first
Hello.
side is 7, it's given, and the second side is 10, and the third side, C, we get it with
Mr. Your
Mazen
voice is
as
lagging.
9 point.
Or my connection.
9 point.
Mr. Your voice is lagging or my connection is low. I don't know.
Okay, the length of letter C is 9 point what?
9.4.
9.6.
9.6. Sorry.
Yes, 9.6. Now I need to complete. The word solve, it means find the length of the three sides and find the measure of the three angles. Now the three
Yes.
sides
ABC.
with us. I'm talking now about the angles. I have one angle, which is what?
Which is 73
Yes,
degree.
I need to find the second angle. Angle A or angle B. It's according to you. You will choose A or B. It's up to you.
B.
Okay, so I use the rule that has letter B, which is called cosine B. Cosine B, can you remember the rule? Cosine B equal what?
No.
Let's start with me.
We studied
Yes.
it back.
Huh?
Yeah, we studied it back, but I don't revise it.
Okay, there is no problem. Cosine what?
Cosine B.
Okay, the other two sides. Give me the other two sides. I take B. The remainder is what?
A.
And
Or and C.
okay, so I just write A power 2 plus C power
B
2.
power.
What is the remainder?
What?
B is
Your voice,
remainder.
mister.
Make it minus. Over
Minus
what?
B.
Over the first two sides times 2. So 2 multiplied by A multiplied by
C.
C. Okay, now substitute. Yalla, cosine B equal A power
Equal.
2. It means
It means 9.6, right?
A power 2.
Yeah, but there is no number. No. A equals 7. Sorry.
Yeah, 7 power 2. Yes, complete plus C power 2
Plus 9.6 power 2
plus 9.6 power 2. Excellent.
minus B power 2.
B power 2 equals what?
10 power 2
Excellent. 10 power 2
over 2 times 7
yes, 7
and 9.6.
and 9.6. By using your calculator.
Mister, isn't we can make 2 and make a bracket?
No, we can't. We can't. Okay.
And
Okay,
now
it's a
2
big
times
difference.
A and times C.
لا لا it's a big difference if you have all with power 2 or you have A power 2 plus C power 2. If it's times or divide, there is no problem. But if plus or minus, it's a big difference between them. Okay, by using our calculator, I can get the result. So I just make 7 power 2 and then a plus
9.6 power 2
power 2, yes. Okay,
minus
give me
10 power
1
2
minus 10 power 2
minus
over
10 power 2.
yes
Your voice,
2
mister, is gone.
times 7 times
9.6.
equals what? Equals
I don't have calculator.
0.3625. This is the measure of the angle?
B.
No, of course not. Of course not. Okay, this is the cosine of the angle. To get the angle, you must make measure of angle B equal inverse cosine to this number. It means cosine -1 for 0.3625. So if you get the number like this, cosine B, it's not the angle, it's a cosine of the angle. If I need to find the angle, just make shift cosine by using your calculator or inverse cosine for this result. So I just write cosine for the answer, which equal to cosine for, so shift cosine by using your calculator. You don't have a calculator?
Yes, because I'm out from
0.30, and then close the bracket. It's approximately is 72 degree. Now measure of angle BZ is 72 degree.
Yes.
Can you find the third angle?
The third angle, cosine A.
Okay, it's right. By using cosine A. But we have another way. It's very easy.
What's it?
If you know the answer, please raise your hand.
I think 72 times 73 and divided by 2.
No. If you know the answer, I need, yes, I have Abdullah Walid, and I have Naif, I have Mazen, and then Muhammad Arif. I'll start by Abdullah Walid. Abdullah Walid. Welcome, Abdullah Walid.
Yes, hello, Mr. Welcome. Yes, I think we make 73 divided by 72, 73 over 72.
No. Abdullah, the sum of measures of the three angles, Abdullah, of any triangle equal how many degree?
180.
Excellent. But we have two angles, so we can get the third. So measure of angle A, Abdullah, equal 180 minus 72 plus 73. So as Ziad said, you can use cosine A. It's right, but as you see, it will be a big problem to solve it in two steps. But here in one step, if you have two angles, you can find the third angle by using the sum of measures of the interior angles of any triangle by using your calculator. Yalla, Abdullah.
Yalla, 180
minus open bracket.
Minus open bracket.
Yes, open bracket. 72 plus 73. And the close the bracket equal
181.
No.
I guess my calculator is not working.
Okay. So it's 35 degree approximately. So the measure of this angle is 35 degree now. So as you see now, we solve the triangle. It means we have the length of the three sides and the measure of the three angles. Naif.
Yes, Mr. F.
Okay, Naif, can you give me the three sides? The first side equal A is what?
9.6. No, 7.
It's a 7. And B?
10.
And C?
9.6.
Yes. Can you give me the three angles?
Yes. A is 35.
Yes.
B is 72 and C is 73. All of it equal 180.
Excellent. So this is the meaning of solve a triangle. If I ask you about solving a triangle, it means you must get the length of the three sides and the measure of the three
Mister.
angles. What?
Does it make difference if I put like the side 10 equal A? A equals 10. Does it make difference?
It's not a big difference, but it may make a change if one of them coming in the minus side. You have here.
Okay, how I know this side is A and this side is B?
The side of A is opposite to angle A. This is angle A.
Okay.
The opposite to it is A. The
Okay.
side B is opposite to angle B. This is angle B. So the side B is opposite to it, as you see. And C is opposite to angle C. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, thanks, Naif. We will go to another problem, but just I leave this for 30 seconds. If you need to write the answer, you have to draw the triangle and write the answer quickly. Okay, we will go to another problem now. We will go to another problem now. Okay. So we have here this problem. As you see, solve triangle ABC. Solve triangle ABC. Solve triangle ABC. We have 4 choices. The 4 choices are: this is letter A, this is letter B, and here letter C, and here letter D. I need to solve the triangle. As you see, we have 2 sides. 13 represent B, so this is B, and 8 represent A, and C is missing. This angle is missing, and this angle also is missing. I need to start to solve this triangle. So I'm just going to Mazen, Ziad, Abdullah, Walid. Okay, I'm going to Muhammad al-Muhsin. Okay, Muhammad, how are you? Muhammad. Muhammad al-Muhsin. Okay. Muhammad Rafa. Good morning. Muhammad Rafa. Okay. I'm going to Muhammad Rafa again. Muhammad Rafa. Mute all, and then I'll choose Naif Muhammad. عارف Muhammad Rafa only. I don't have the sign. Muhammad Abdullah Walid. Ahmed Al-Anazi. Ahmed, how are you? Ahmed Al-Anazi. Ahmed, how are you? You don't need to participate. So I'm going to Abdullah. Abdullah?
Yes, Mister.
Okay. What shall we do? What is the start? I need to solve this problem. So I need to find the measure of angle, or I need to find the side C first. The side C.
Mister.
What?
أحمد يقول لك ما أقدر أفتح المايك.
Okay, there is no problem. طب, can you start with me? I need the side C. So just I need to get the side C.
Equal
C squared equal. Can you give me the rule?
Equal A.
Excellent. A power 2.
Power 2 plus B power 2.
Plus B power 2.
minus
2.
2ab cosine c.
Excellent. Cosine C. Okay, just substitute. It's equal to. Okay, a power 2, it means
a power 2 equal 8.
equal 8 power 2. Yes. Plus b power 2.
b power 2 equal 13 power 2.
Excellent.
Plus
Minus
13.
2 times 8 times 13 cosine C. C equals what?
c equals 64.
Equals 64. So I just write here 64. Have you, you have your calculator?
Actually, no.
Okay, just use my calculator quickly. So I just write 8 power 2 plus 13 power 2 minus 2 times 8 times 13 multiplied by cosine 64, then equal to approximately is 142. This is c power 2, but I need c. So c will be the root, Abdullah, for this number.
Yes.
So c equal, by using my calculator also, I make a square root for the answer, equal 11.9. 11.9. This is the answer. Which is letter what, Abdullah?
Letter D.
Yes, no need to complete. No need to
Yes.
find the measure of angle A and measure of angle B. Don't waste your time. Look to the answers. If you have only 11.9, as Abdullah said, so this is your result. This
Yes.
is your result directly. No need to complete, because C in the beginning equal 5.5. C, then C equal 12.3. C equal 9.1. But the answer
Yes.
is 11.9, so no need to complete to find the measure of angle A and measure of angle B, and this is the answer. And this is the benefit of the M, one of the benefit of the MCQs. You can solve problem quickly if you use the elimination method. Thanks, Abdullah.
Yeah. Welcome.
Okay. Thanks, my dear student, for your participation. Today, we're talking about the cosine law, and the cosine law consists of 6 items or 6 laws. We wrote them together and we solved 2 problems. Your homework will be, inshallah, on the SBS, the electronic homework. It's 3 items, only 3 problems. Try to solve them all today, inshallah. And tomorrow, I'll give you the feedback. Now, I'll take you, Abdullah, Ziad, and Mazen, but after I'll take the participation. Grade 10, I have now 14 students. I start with Abdullah. So Abdullah Al-Ainazi, Ziad. So Ziad, okay. Abdullah Al-Ainazi, okay. And then Abdullah Al-Ainazi, Mazen. Abdullah Al-Bray, no. Abdullah Salih Al-Gurni, yes. Abdullah Al-Hadisi, Abdullah Shavi, no. Abdullah Walid, yes. Ahmed, okay. Faisal, no. Hamoud, no. Ibrahim Al-Nasir, yes. Mazen, okay. Mishari, I don't see. Mishari is not here. Muhsin, okay. Muhammad Gurni, not here. Muhammad Rafa, yes. Muhammad Tamimi, okay. Muhammad Salami, not here. Naif, Riyadh, Salman Al-Anazi, don't. Saud Al-Barak, no. Saud Al-Harbi, no. Sulaiman, Tamim, yes. I test for Sulaiman. No, Saud Al-Harbi, yes. Okay, Saud Al-Harbi with me. So Saud Al-Harbi and Sulaiman, no. Now I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, 14 students with me. Thanks, my dear students. And inshallah, we will complete together tomorrow, inshallah. Thanks for your participation. And okay, goodbye.